Hello everyone, welcome to How to Start a Speech trick number 8. Yes, so today's trick is start your speech with a powerful picture or a video. A small video or a picture says so much. So a small video and a picture can be interpreted in so many different ways, right? A picture is worth 1,000 words. That's what the experts say. So this will help you to start out well, and definitely it will make you different, it will make you unique. For example, if you show a picture of, the spiral picture like Bengali Sea Cave in Portugal, so that's very famous picture which generally the motivational speakers start with. So that shows passion and preparation. Second, you can show a windmill, a lot of windmills in a line. So that shows the movement in life or a different perspective. So suppose you show a dry leaf, okay, so that talks about a wasted opportunity which you have not utilized. Now showing a video can be incredibly interesting and fun as well. You can show your own video on stage, or some video which depicts your story, or you can start with a Les Brown video which I have talked about it earlier in my videos. Some movie clip which people can relate to, like last scene of the Dangal movie is very interesting, which I generally use in my speeches. So that is basically that shows the motivation to stick on to your journey while achieving any goal. So that's all about starting your powerful speech.